Alright, Master Designers, tonight we're going to draw a Laserman. The first ever mechanical Bakugan. First of all, Laserman is a robot-looked related Bakugan, just like Robotallion. It's not even a mechanical Bakugan. It's got like laser cannons and all that stuff. It can also attack Bakugan from a different card using a special ability. And to be honest, I always thought of Laserman as one of my favorites. Alright, drawing Laserman is easy. All we have to do is draw the cannons. We drew the visor, and now the cannons. This Bakugan adapts fast. I thought you said 9:45.
No, it starts at 9:45.
Alright.
There's some food. These chairs better not get ripped.
I will not rip them.
There was one that wasn't ripped. Why is it ripped now?
Mom, you're on camera. Please let me finish. Here's the letter H. And finished. That's how you draw Laserman.